Hey there, fellow explorers! Planning your next solo adventure? I've got you covered with some top travel hacks to save money while making your journey unforgettable. First up, budget accommodations. You don't need to splurge to find cozy and safe places to stay. Check out Booking.com or Airbnb for some amazing, wallet-friendly options. Now, let's talk about travel gear. Staying organized is key when you're on the go. Invest in the best travel backpacks and anti-theft bags to keep your belongings safe. And don't forget compact packing cubes. Trust me, they're a game changer. When it comes to flights, I'm all about scoring the best deals. Sites like Skyscanner and Kayak are your best friends for finding cheap flights. Keep an eye out for those flash sales and you'll be jetting off in no time. Travel insurance might not be glamorous, but it's essential. Opt for affordable options from World Nomads or SafetyWing so you can travel worry-free. It's better to be safe than sorry. And hey, if you love these tips and want to support the Bliss journey, use the affiliate links in the description. It won't cost you a thing, but it helps me keep creating content for you amazing solo travelers. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe, and share these hacks with your fellow wanderlust-filled friends. Adventure awaits. Happy travels!